Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, June 2nd. This is my analysis for the Euro Yen. If you haven't done so yet, definitely do check out my free Discord group. It's a link down here in the code at the end of the video. And make sure to take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. Watch the video on my home screen to learn more. So anyways, the euro yen, a lot of these euro yen pairs look like they need to make a wave C to the downside. I think today's daily time frame should confirm one way or the other. If today's daily candle closes bearish engulfing, which as of right now it is, then I think that should confirm that it's going down for wave C. If for whatever reason it ends up closing above here, then that's not bearish engulfing, and that tells me that I still need to be bullish on sort of time frames. So kind of a crucial point right here to see whether it really does close down or whether it doesn't close down, that is. So going down to the 1 hour time frame. Now, to me, it would make sense for this to keep going down. I mean, this looks like an impulsive five-wave move. This looks like a corrective move. I think it would potentially make a lot more sense for this to be now going down for a wave C, especially looking at other yen pairs for correlation. So I am definitely keeping an eye on that daily close that's going to happen today to see if it really does go down, which should confirm whether it really is going down for a wave C or whether we're just in the middle of a big uptrend from the weekly, monthly time frame. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.